Welcome everybody. This is Whiteboard Mastery. My name is Alexis, and today I'm introducing to you the next module in our foundation course where we're learning how to draw on whiteboards. And this module that we're going to start as of today is called Models. And I'm really excited because you will learn in the next videos, you will learn how to draw people. So how to draw bodies in motion or bodies standing, people wandering. You will learn how to draw faces, and in fact you will learn how to draw and visualize emotions. And then you will also learn in this module how to draw things. So you can map out systems. So why learn how to draw people? So humans are really good at reading body language. And I think in my experience, actually, when you are able to draw people in different postures, that body language relays so much information. We love looking at people because we love reading people. And being able to draw people in different postures will allow you to amplify your message using postures of people as a way to convey meaning is actually a really powerful way. The same goes for being able to draw faces. So it's not really about faces, right? It's about relaying emotions. Is the person happy or sad? You know, does this part of the whiteboard, is this about a solution or a problem? Being able to have that on demand when you're on a whiteboard and you want to fine-tune your message again regarding the emotions of what people are feeling in that scenario is universal. And then the third thing that you're going to learn, as I mentioned, is how to draw things. So I don't know, like a house or a city or a car or an airplane or a computer or a phone. These are all artifacts, right, of human work. And if you want to map out, let's say, a system, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to explain to your stakeholders, all the pieces to the puzzle that you're working on, or if you want to inspire your team to say we're going from here to there, and the right now looks as follows, and the future that we're going to go to looks as follows, and has all these things in it, then being able to draw things is really, really important. And drawing people and their emotions is all about the people, obviously. And then being able to draw things allows you to describe the situations that these people are in, so you can give more context. So I'm super excited about this. There will be a lot of practice, and make sure you have gone through the basic training. We will revisit at least the basic shapes again and again, but make sure you've watched the videos before. So looking forward to seeing you in the next lecture, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.